Christmas is coming, the goose is getting fat. Please put a suggestion in the potluck hat. Potluck Christmas! So this year, dinner party tonight would like to do a potluck Christmas. What does that mean? Please suggest an appetizer, a main, a side, and a dessert. 1, 2, or all 4. And then we will select our menu from your suggestions. And you can make them pretty difficult. But you know, who knows which one will get chosen. It's an appetizer, a main, a side, and a dessert. 4 separate piles, 4 separate choices, and I will cook whatever comes out of that pile, I swear to God. Potluck! What the f